What is the system for earmarking reindeer in Scandinavia? Imagine a world where tiny cuts in an animal's ear tell a story about who owns it. That's exactly how reindeer are identified in Scandinavia, a practice rooted in tradition and law. When reindeer calves are about a month old, herders gather them into enclosures during the summer. This is the moment they carefully mark each one. The herders use a small knife to make specific cuts in the ear, creating a pattern that is unique to each owner or herding group. These patterns are called earmarks. The cuts are not random. They follow strict rules about size, shape, and placement. For example, a herder might cut a small notch at the top of the ear or a slit along the edge. These notches and shapes form a code that others in the community can read. Each herder is allowed 1 or 2 earmarks, and these are designed to be easy to tell apart. Legally, the process is regulated by laws in Sweden, Finland, and Norway. These laws specify which types of cuts are allowed and how they must be registered. In Sweden, only certain approved cuts can be used, and they must be registered with the National Reindeer Herding Authority. Finland's Reindeer Husbandry Act requires every reindeer to have an approved earmark registered with the Reindeer Herders Association. This helps prevent confusion and theft. The earmark system is more than just identification. It connects to the culture and heritage of the Sami and other indigenous groups who have herded reindeer for generations. The process is often a communal event, involving families and community members, and it reflects their deep bond with the animals. In addition to ear notches, some herders also use plastic ear tags for extra identification. These tags are durable and easy to read from a distance. The whole system helps herders keep track of their herds, manage their animals, and protect their property rights. It also makes it easier to count and monitor the reindeer, especially when they are roaming freely across large grazing areas. This earmarking tradition has stood the test of time. It is a vital part of the cultural identity of the indigenous reindeer herders in Scandinavia. Even with modern regulations, the core idea remains the same: a simple, effective way to honor heritage and keep the herding community connected.